You have now tuned into another Jess for TV production. What's up, guys? I'm Jess for TV, back on your screen, coming to you live and direct with another video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how a 4-year-old makes a DIY apron and also how she bakes cupcakes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned.
Subscribe to Mommy's YouTube channel. Comment down below if you like our videos.
And give us a thumbs up.
So now let's get started. Now we're going to take the iron off. Take the towel off. Flip it over and put the iron on the other side. So now I just have to wait for 2 minutes. Millie go. Now I'm ready for the lemon chocolate. First we have to do it slowly so we don't rip. So guys, this is my DIY apron. Hit that subscribe button, comment to my videos, and you'll know what I'm talking about. Next morning, we're gonna make my cupcakes and cupcakes,
bacon, cupcake.
Let's get started. First, crack the eggs. For 1600 degrees, 350 degrees. Now all we need to do is pour our milk in. Okay, add all of this milk in. It kind of looks like oil milk. Put all the butter in. This is going to be hard cooking. Make sure you do this careful at home. And need an adult to help you. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's wait until it gets chocolatey. This might become too icy. Now, look at all the eggs. I'll see you after I'm done mixing. My favorite boy color. Let's pour this into the last mold. It looks like it's my birthday today. So we'll roll these cupcakes up so they can bake. So now, pop these berries in the oven. Start cook. Hey! I'm going to take them out and let them cool. Now that the cupcakes are really done, all we need is to let them cool. Now, let them cool. Let the cake cool too. Now that the cupcakes are cooled, now we're going to decorate them. Now we're going to decorate them.
So now that the cupcakes are done, we're gonna taste test these cupcakes. I hope they're good. Ready? Get one.
I hope it's really good.
Let's see if a 4-year-old can really bake. These cupcakes are so delicious. Thumbs up. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed our DIY apron making and our 4-year-old bakes cupcakes. Thank you so much for watching Baking with Bella, and we'll see you in our next one, guys. Peace.